and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe that is great for meal prepping. That's usually what I use it for. It is a Crockpot meal and it is a chicken tacos, but just the meat part for chicken tacos. I typically make this on a Sunday, and then I'll have chicken in a fridge or in a freezer for whether it's, if anybody wants to make tacos or burrito bowls or taco salad. It's all prepped and ready to go, and all you have to do is add your other ingredients but your main protein is ready. So let me show you what you need for the chicken tacos in a crock pot. And by the way, it is also a healthier meal and a lower carb meal if that is something that you are looking after. So here are the ingredients that you will need. You will need 3 to 4 chicken breasts, and then a jar of salsa, some taco seasoning or Southwest smoky seasoning, whatever you have on hand. Right now I have my own homemade taco seasoning. You can use fresh or frozen corn kernels, and then you will also need some tomatoes. It says to use a 16-ounce can of chopped up tomatoes. I typically don't use canned tomatoes unless there's like a specific recipe asking for a specific canned tomato. I always have frozen tomatoes because I buy them at season, and I buy like 2, maybe a bushel and a half to 2 bushels, and I freeze them. And I'll show you a little trick. I just cut off the ends, wash them and cut off the end for freezing, and I'll show you how easy it is to get these ready for your recipe. And you will also need 1 onion, which I will need to dice that up. And then I have my smaller slow cooker where I'm going to put it on and cook it on low for 8 hours or on high for 4 hours. I also want to mention that this Crockpot meal is part of a collaboration that is hosted by Claire from Easily Influence Mama, and I will have her channel linked in the description box as well as the playlist. So make sure you go on and check out the playlist, because I'm sure there is going to be tons of recipes for you. So my dog's right in front of me and moving the curtain around, so I'm all right. So let me show you the process how to make this meal. So for the tomatoes, you want to have your warm water running. You take a tomato, run it under warm water, and voila, the peel just comes off. So I'm going to add my chicken first into the slow cooker. And now I'm going to chop up some veggies that need to be chopped up. So now I'm going to add my vegetables. Salsa. And now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the seasoning. Now you can also add cilantro. I prefer cilantro when I'm eating, so it's nice and fresh. And I'm going to turn it on for 4 hours on high. So here it is all done. I'm just going to take the chicken out and pull it apart and show you what that looks like. So here it is, all pulled apart, and now I'm going to store it in airtight containers with some of this sauce over it so it keeps it nice and moist. So I am using my little measuring cup from Portion Fix to measure out my protein, and here are all my containers. I'll probably put I think 2 servings on these and then single servings in these, just so that way I can have a variety. If 2 of us want to eat it, I'll take that one. If it's just one of us, I'll take that one. So here they are. There's I will most likely keep 1 double one in a fridge, and then there's 3 to go in a freezer, 2 single ones and 1 double one. So technically I have enough in a freezer for 4 lunches and in a fridge for 2 more. I would like to thank Claire for hosting this collaboration. I will have her channel linked down below as well as the playlist, so make sure you go check out the playlist after you're finished watching my video. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. I want to wish everybody a happy Easter, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.